Hanlees Fairfield Toyota is a family-owned business serving the Bay Area, Sacramento, and Napa Valleys for over 30 years. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory, and comes equipped with
keyless entry, air conditioning, MP3 single disc audio system, traction control, anti-theft system, cruise control, power windows, advanced track, power door locks, tilt steering wheel, and has less than 60,000 miles on the odometer.
Hanlees Fairfield Toyota has always been a leader in the community, donating vehicles, school supplies, sporting equipment, scholarships, and cash funds throughout the Contra Costa, Napa, Solano, Yolo, Sacramento, and Alameda counties. All of our used cars 10 years old or newer with less than 150,000 miles come with a complimentary 3-month or 3,000-mile powertrain warranty at no charge to you. So come visit Hanlees Fairfield Toyota today.